welcome back. This is vlog 17. I'm at Shuba Park or something like that. I'm not entirely sure. It's a place that has a whole bunch of soccer fields, skate park, and playground. I'm gonna be ripping around here. Hopefully the GoPro isn't all messed up like last time. Hopefully it actually records some footage and I can actually use it now, because it would be a bummer if that happened again. But right now it's Friday and Hurricane Dorian is coming in hot, and yeah, hopefully Dorian doesn't hit me because that would be pretty bad, obviously. Right now Dorian's aimed to head more south than north, but I just in general hope it doesn't hit me because I'm still on campus at college right now, so I don't really have like a place to hunker out to. So it would be pretty bad for it to hit me right now. So hopefully this vlog works. Right over there, there's a really cool looking building, and there's this big soccer field here, and playgrounds there, and the skate park, and there's the bathroom or something right there, I think. But that's just where we're gonna be flying around today. There, I don't see anywhere I can like set up from, so I'm probably just gonna fly from the car. One thing about it, you guys can probably tell, it's very, very stormy out right now. So hopefully it doesn't start raining when I'm flying, because that would be very, very bad, especially because I'm in the car. I'm not able to tell immediately if it starts raining, and that could obviously destroy the quad, which would be bad. And if I crash in the grass here, the grass is all a bit wet and there's puddles here and there and such. So again, try not to crash a whole bunch today, otherwise, yeah, it could destroy the quad. That would not be good. But yeah, wish me luck.
Say
Alright, that's the end of the vlog for today. I really did like this spot. It was really cool. There's a whole bunch of stuff you can do just flying around the skate park and around the soccer field and that building over there. I didn't do that much around the playground. There's a few people over there. I don't really want to fly over there. So I just mostly flew away from there. But I did really like this spot. There was one time when I was coming in here and then I almost hit this gutter right here. Like right about here, the quad decided, oh, I'm gonna like lose signal and fail safe. So I like last instant throttled up all the way and it just barely landed on the sidewalk right there. I'll put in the footage for that like right now. Alright, I'm definitely going to be coming back to this spot again sometime, but as for right now, that's pretty much it for today. I really don't like the way I'm flying now. For some reason I'm all shaky and I'm nervous for some reason, I don't really know. And I feel like my skill has gone down a little bit, so I'm definitely going to need to do a whole lot more practice because I don't really like the way I'm flying. I think I should be flying a whole lot better than I am. I feel like I was flying better. Now I feel like I'm not as good anymore and I need to practice a bit more, so a bit more training is going to be coming up. Hopefully the flying will get better. I don't see why it wouldn't. Like around this park I couldn't do a whole lot because I don't know why, I just felt like the quad was moving really fast, but it really wasn't. So I should do a bit more practice at like speed flying and such. But that's it for today. As always, onward and upward. This is a really bad idea. Woo! Oh shoot! Oh. I need to go here, not there. Where's my longboard going? What the heck?